The incredible power of taking risks in life. There are numerous methods to improve your life. We can choose to take risks in life, which is a straightforward but first frightening decision. This path to constructive transformation is problematic since most people are afraid of taking chances. We might worry about change, failure, and rejection. We might fear ambiguity. When we consider taking a chance, our natural fight or flight reflex begins to operate. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the incredible power of taking risks in life. Let's see what we have for you that can help you in your financial matters. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. In addition, many of us have a distorted view of fear, believing that it is harmful and that we should avoid it. In actuality, though, neither danger nor fear are bad. The fear we experience when taking risks in life is simply a feeling message, letting us know that we're stepping outside of our customary comfort zone. In truth, danger is the precise thing that may make us feel alive. Going outside of your comfort zone is necessary for many of life's greatest accomplishments. Some of life's most fulfilling experiences stem from taking chances, whether it's conquering shyness to perform on stage, spending money to help your business expand, or putting yourself out there for the chance to discover love. However, a lot of us find it challenging to cope with the uncertainty that comes with taking chances. The uncertainty of the situation and the worry about possible failure cause discomfort. What if I humiliate myself before everyone? What if I don't make back my entire investment? What if I give my heart to someone and get rejected? What if I don't measure up? In response, consider another what-if scenario. What if the objective of taking risks isn't the result, but rather the activity itself? We must face our concerns by taking risks, and sometimes that result is failure. But what if that wasn't necessarily a terrible thing? We have a choice: step outside of our comfort zones and succeed, or remain at the sidelines and watch life pass us by. The key to success? Learn to fail. Although many people may have a bad perception of failure, it can actually be a crucial tool for developing character. Failure makes us more resilient and strong. People who experience failure on a regular basis learn to persevere in the face of obstacles. Consider Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, who, before becoming one of the best presidents in American history, lost 8 elections, failed twice in business, and experienced a nervous breakdown. He gained the tenacity required to later guide his nation through one of the most trying times in history through failure. Without having encountered so many failures himself, perhaps he could never have accomplished this. Why does that matter? Taking chances doesn't guarantee success all the time, and that's okay. Risk-taking may result in failure, but even that can improve us as people by enhancing our ability to bounce back fast from setbacks. What is the worst that might occur? It's all too simple for a lot of us to get bogged down in a routine that offers security and comfort, but we must first ask, are we really living? Yes, some dangers are best avoided because they could have fatal results. But with a little foresight, we may take calculated chances that will benefit us no matter what happens. Imagine that you wish to introduce yourself to an attractive person you encounter in a coffee shop. What is the worst that might occur? They aren't interested, but you took the chance anyhow, and it didn't end badly, and it probably gave you more courage to do it. No regrets then. It all depends on the perspective you adopt. You might also be taking risks that are more severe, like quitting your unappreciated work or relocating to a foreign nation. What could possibly go wrong again? Even if things didn't turn out the way you had hoped, you still learned a lot about yourself and the world. Additionally, if you choose, you may always return home and work at the same job. Risks increase confidence and create new opportunities. By taking chances, you give yourself the green light to experiment, learn from mistakes, advance, and explore. You have the opportunity to push yourself over your perceived boundaries. You can pursue the things in life that you truly desire. By doing this, you inevitably increase your self-confidence, developing personality, and introducing yourself to a whole new universe. By taking a chance, you can access options you may not have had previously considered. Failure may make us stronger individuals, but that doesn't make taking risks any easier. It turns out that enhancing one's confidence can aid in overcoming apprehension about taking risks. To create a successful firm, entrepreneurs must battle overwhelming obstacles. That entails taking significant risks with no idea of the result. Why do they act in this way? There is a lot of confidence. In a study, 124 successful entrepreneurs and 95 top managers were asked a series of questions. and were then asked to rate how confident they felt in their answers. The researchers were Jay Barney, Ph.D., a management professor at Ohio State University, and Lowell Busenitz, Ph.D., of the University of Houston. Both groups showed confidence, but the outcomes showed that the entrepreneur's degree of confidence was extremely high. By taking chances, you improve your ability to identify what you desire. You can clarify your goals for the rest of your life by taking risks. As you plan and make decisions, they help you become more consciously aware of what is important to you and what you want and don't want. You can feel more in control and powerful as a creator of your life and the controller of your own destiny, just by the level of clarity you gain from preparing to take a risk. Risk-taking fosters self-confidence. In general, when you take a risk, you do so consciously after weighing your intellect and intuition to choose what is best for you. By acting in accordance with your inner compass in this way, you develop self-confidence. Your self-confidence will only grow if you believe in yourself and know when to act to get what you truly want. Risks add color and excitement to life. What could occur if we never took a chance? The monotony and boredom of life would set in. Nobody wants a boring life, but it's a very common choice we make to protect ourselves and remain in our comfort zones. By not taking chances, we inevitably fail. It all comes down to choosing. Even though your palms may be sweaty and your pulse may be pounding, consider the consequences of not taking the risk. Would you be sorry you missed the chance? Since we only have one life, why not challenge yourself? Isn't it fascinating that you never know what might occur? Learn to overcome your fears. Fortunately, confidence can be learned. Living Fully with Shyness and Social Anxiety by Erica Kestriel states, the reality is that most socially confident people consciously master specific abilities. That implies that we may improve our confidence via practice, giving us the tools we need to take calculated risks. Even the flamboyant comic Will Ferrell originally thought of himself as excruciatingly timid, and he admits he had to work extremely hard to get over his lack of self-confidence. He would act foolishly in front of others to do this, hoping that they would make fun of him. In college, I would drag an overhead projector across campus while wearing jeans that were just low enough to expose my butt, he admitted to People magazine. My companion would then exclaim, "Look at that moron," to the throng. That's how I overcame my shyness. What does this mean for taking chances? We can take steps to increase our confidence when we feel timid or fearful of something. Ferrell has the strength to face his concerns rather than just accepting himself as a shy guy. He did it since it made him feel more certain outside of his comfort zone. The cycle of success. The lesson? It takes bravery to overcome the dread of uncertainty when taking risks to attain a goal. We develop through the process and become more resilient and self-assured regardless of the outcome. Even better, developing those talents encourages taking more risks and increasing the likelihood of reaching future objectives. Daring to succeed. By taking chances, we can broaden the scope of our experiences. We effectively increase the number of random occurrences that can happen in our life by enlarging the parameters and increasing the variables, what some could refer to as luck. Children always take risks, which is how they pick things up so rapidly. Consider learning to ride a bike. A child can go from not knowing how to ride a bike to doing so in a matter of hours. Act now, beginning with today. While you don't have to dive headfirst into a sea of dangers, you may practice the art of taking one modest risk every day. Saying hi to a stranger, picking up a new skill, or applying for a new job can all be simple ways to start. Whatever your comfort level is, start experimenting with it daily. Get accustomed to feeling uncomfortable, since this is where true development takes place. In the end, only this risk-taking behavior will change your life. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.